Hey guys, we have another Copart bike. This one's kind of exciting. I'm a little excited about it. Something different than what I usually buy. So we have a Kawasaki Ninja 650, or otherwise known as the EX650. So this one got in a pretty good wreck. Looks like it rear-ended a car. The front end's pretty bad. I mean, the spring's popping out there. I don't know if you can see it. The front wheel is completely destroyed. It's pretty bad. The header's damaged. Fairings pretty beat up on each side. But, I mean, this could be fixed, guys. This is a brand new 2020, or excuse me, 2021. It has 400 miles on it. It's pretty crazy. Right fairing's a little boogered up. This is busted. It's cheap though. Parts aren't too bad. Has a new fancy screen. So anyways, so what did I pay for it? I paid out the door $2,100. What's it going to cost to fix everything? Well, here's the thing. So this is a 2021, so there's not a lot of parts on eBay. There's not a lot of aftermarket companies, because I think they redesigned this in 20. I think this is an all-new bike in 2020, if I'm not mistaken. So there's not a lot of aftermarket stuff for it. So you got to buy from OEM stuff. And, which is good and bad. But, so I figured $2,500 worth of parts. So you paid $2,100, $2,500 in parts. Let's see. So what's it worth? Well, that's a good question. That's always debatable. I think new, these list for $8,100, $8,100. So it has a branded title, total title. What could you sell it for? I'm guessing that's the big question. I'm guessing $6,000. I mean, it has 400 miles on it, and it's a 2021. But here's the thing. The market for this bike, that might be a challenging one. The market for this bike, this is a relatively beginner bike. I would say some people start on it. Some people make it their second bike, and they step up. So, yeah, that's a tougher sale. Even if you had everything 100% perfect, you know, the newbie riders out there that are going to want to spend that kind of money for a brand new bike, I think it's going to really scare them that it's total title. I don't think they could look past that you fixed it all and made it perfect. So it might be a tough one. This one might not be a good fix and flip for that fact. But if you're in the market for this bike and this is the one you want and you came across it at the auction, this is definitely worth doing. I mean, you could be having a running and riding bike with 400 miles on it for, you know, what do we figure, $4,675. That's half the price of paying full price at the dealership. You buy it, you put we'll say 16 hours worth of work at the most. I'm going to say more along the lines of 8 hours worth of work, in my opinion, to fix it. And you got to wait for parts to come in, so it's not an immediate thing. But let's say you ordered everything and they had everything in stock and they all shipped it to you, in 1 8-hour day, you could have this bike back and going. So that's my opinion. That's my 2 cents. It could make a good one. So thanks for watching, and go ahead, and if you like this kind of stuff, give me a like. It really goes a long ways. Thanks. Like or subscribe. Thanks, guys.